Let's move forward to Chapter 3, Methodology. This section is where you explain the plan of action for your research. Think of it as giving a clear map so anyone can follow your process step by step. Begin with your research design. We'll use a qualitative approach, or a combination of both. State the method you use, such as survey, interview, experiments, or observation, and explain why it suits your study. Next, describe your research setting, the place where the study will be conducted. Provide a short background and explain why this location is appropriate. Then, introduce your participants or respondent. Identify who will provide the data, how many they are, and how they were chosen, whether by random selection, purposive sampling, or convenience sampling. Follow with the sampling procedure. Explain the exact step you used to explain participant and why this approach worked for your study. After that, discuss your research instrument. The tools for collecting data, such as questionnaire, interview, guide, or checklist. If you create them yourself, explain how they were designed and tested for your accuracy. Then, present your data gathering procedure. Outline the process from start to finish. Mention where it was done, online or face-to-face, any information obtained, and how you ensure confidentiality. Proceed to your data analysis. Explain how you will interpret the collecting information. Will you use statistical tools like percentage and average, or qualitative techniques like coding and them analysis? Finally, cover your ethical consideration, such as obtaining information consent, protecting privacy, and keeping data secure. Chapter 3, ensure your research proceeds is systemically transparent and reliable, making it impossible for others to replicate your work.